let's talk about crocheting in the front loop of a stitch. You can do this technique with almost any stitch like single crochets, half double crochets, double crochets, treble crochets, but today we'll be doing the front loop only of single crochet. I'm using a 4.5mm hook and worsted weight acrylic yarn. Specifically, I love this yarn from Hobby Lobby, but you can use whatever you want or have on hand. Rows of this will create a slightly textured fabric, which would be great for cotton yarn to make things like dishcloths. Let's get started by making a slip knot and chaining any number of stitches you would like, plus 1. Here I want 20 single crochets, so I'll chain 21 because we need 1 chain for a turning chain. When you make a chain stitch, each loop you pull through creates a V shape. Each V you see is 1 chain. So if we're counting these, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 chains. Once you have your chain, then you will single crochet in the second chain from the hook. I will be working in the back bumps of the chain, but you can go into the chain using whatever method you prefer. That first chain serves as our turning chain and does not count as a stitch. Then you will make 1 single crochet in every chain to the end. At the end, you should have 20 single crochets total. When you get to the end, you will then chain 1 and turn your work. Every time you complete a stitch, you're basically creating a chain that sits on top. That chain makes a V, just like before, and each V equals 1 single crochet. The V has 2 loops, a front loop, which is the loop that is the closest to you or on the front, and a back loop, which is the loop furthest from you or on the back. For this tutorial, we'll be going under the front loop only. This leaves the back loop empty and creates a line or ridge on the other side of our work. Since the chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch, we will place a single crochet in the front loop only of every single crochet to the end of the row. Then you will chain 1, turn your work, and repeat the same thing over and over until you get the desired number of rows that you need. And here's what the end result would look like if you made rows of front loop only single crochet. Leaving the back loop empty created these lines or ridges every other row. I created 20 rows of single crochet, so each little segment is 2 rows. Remember, front loop only isn't just for single crochet. You can use almost any stitch, and it doesn't have to be just rows across doing the same thing. But mastering this technique will help you in following patterns. Save this for later and follow for more crochet tips. Happy crocheting!